My name is Ian Parnham. I'm the Skills Program Lead at the Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult, and my team are responsible for the skills and training laboratories and for what we call local cluster skills around Stevenage. The Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult is an innovation and technology organization with the primary aim of facilitating the delivery of life-changing therapies to the world. The way we do that is through strong partnerships with academia, industry, as well as healthcare service providers, and we collaborate with all of them to be able to facilitate the continued success of the sector. The Skills and Training Laboratories is set up to provide tailored training programs which last maybe a day or two, or complete training curriculums which, subject to the organization, can be a few courses across a few weeks or multiple months. The primary aim behind that is to support organizations with their talent workforce development and to ensure that the sector continues to grow and deliver these life-changing therapies. We therefore work closely with them, supporting them on a wide range of challenges across manufacturing, across quality, across analytics, or potentially anything else that they want to get support on to develop their therapies. So the Skills and Training Laboratories was strategically placed within Stevenage, which is the largest cluster of cell and gene therapy companies outside of the US. As such, we worked closely with them and surveyed their processes and their workflows, their requirements, and also where they wanted to focus in terms of skills and training. We therefore tried to approximate how the training would be provided and the sort of asks and demands that they may have. As such, we took into account organizations, the locations, the number of people that would be required, as well as cost efficiencies, and we landed on the Maxwell. Our setup is quite exciting in that we have a tailored provision across our entire portfolio, and we want to be able to give all staff both a technical hands-on experience as well as a theoretical background of workflows and processes that they will be working with. We therefore look to incorporate practicals around the Maxwell and other equipment in viral vector manufacturing courses where we're focusing on analytical techniques and bioprocessing related courses. When we're looking at applications there, the Maxwell is particularly relevant when we're looking at RNA DNA isolation in preparation for PCR workflows. One of the advantages of being a training facility is that we can tailor training programs to the requirements of an organization. And we're very keen to be able to build in skills competency assessment and support organizations in their learnings as quickly as possible. And one of the advantages, certainly when we're using a showcase of RNA DNA isolation, is that the Maxwell is very, very easy to use and is user-friendly. It is feedback we receive from trainees, and certainly my team can benefit from the fact that it's such a user-friendly piece of kit that we can implement in our training. The cell and gene therapy sector, it's widely acknowledged, needs to automate and digitize its workflows. At present, the life-changing therapies being delivered to patients are absolutely fantastic, and it's really exciting to see new therapies coming out. However, the challenge is it's a matter of scale. At the moment, you're looking at hundreds, maybe thousands of patients receiving these therapies per year. We need to get to tens of hundreds of thousands of doses or of therapies being delivered to patients. That requires automation and digitization, and the Maxwell is a really helpful use case or showcase of the type of technologies that are going to be required for the future to ensure the sustainable growth and success of the cell and gene therapy sector. The Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult is committed to developing a sustainable cell and gene therapy sector. This enables us to deliver life-changing therapies to patients who really need it across the globe. To be able to do that, one of the key factors is a talented workforce which is able to perform the really very technical tasks within bioprocessing. We, as the Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult, run a skills demand survey every 2 years, and within it, organizations that were surveyed forecast a requirement for 10,000 new people within the sector in the next 5 years, and about 5,000 within bioprocessing jobs. That is a large challenge that we face, and the Cell and Gene Therapy Catapult has both national programs through apprenticeships, as well as coordinating training content available online, and the skills and training laboratories based here out of Stevenage to be able to support organizations develop their businesses further and deliver these therapies to patients. Equipment like the Maxwell are fantastic exemplary showcases of the type of equipment that will be required in the future. It enables reproducibility, it increases scalability, and enables us to be able to increase the number of therapies that are required to be able to reach global demand.